Hello and welcome. This video will review our new media kits, Auraria Library's latest addition to the collection, and we want to let you know all about them. We will dive into what media kits are, the various types, and how to check them out. You may be familiar with the library's digital media studio, a bookable space used for shooting photography and recording video. Our new media kits will allow you to do this on the go or in your own space. Each kit comes with its own variety of audio and/or video equipment. These kits are a part of our extensive Ask Us collection, which is home to various technology items and anatomical models that can support your coursework on campus. Items in this collection are available for checkout to current students, faculty, and staff from the Community College of Denver, Metropolitan State University of Denver, and University of Colorado Denver for a short-term loan. Items in this collection can check out for as little as 2 hours or as long as an entire semester. Each of our media kits can be checked out for up to 2 weeks. This gives you plenty of time to get professional results with our camera and lighting kits for filming or microphones for recording. Each kit has several parts inside, which are all listed on the itemized tag on the case. Let's take a look at what's inside this camera kit. This specific kit is from our Canon EOS M50 camera, which includes the body of the camera, a 15 to 45mm lens, a 64 gig SD card, an SD card reader with a USB Type-A and USB Type-C cables, 2 batteries, and a battery charger. Inside of each kit, you will also find an equipment guideline sheet explaining loan period, what happens if you damage the item, and a QR code to the user manual. You can view a full list of all of our media kits on the Auraria Library website. Let's head there now. On the homepage, we have a section titled Use the Library, which links to our Ask Us collection webpage. This webpage provides information about all items in this collection, with a quick guide on items and how long they check out for. Here is the link to the media kit's catalog. When you see the kit that you are interested in, click on the photo and check out the description for all types of information on that specific kit. Here you can put the item on hold and pick up at the library within 10 days of the pickup notice. To pick up your hold, bring your campus ID to the library Ask Us desk. Once you've checked it out, you have 2 weeks to enjoy. We are really excited to have these items in our collection for all Auraria Library users to enjoy. Check one out soon. Thank you for your time, and we hope to see you stop in the library.